Hey everybody, welcome. So if you're a subscriber and you're returning, fantastic, thank you so much. If you just stumbled upon this video or you saw something you liked, well, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you subscribe and hit that notification bell. So summer is in full swing, and what we're going to do today is we're going to do a simple coleslaw. That's right, a coleslaw. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 1/4 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, measure out 1 cup of regular milk, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to it and let it sit. And then you can measure out your 1/4 cup of buttermilk from that. You're also going to need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. You're going to need about half a teaspoon of salt and pepper each. To start, you might want to adjust that at the end. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of celery seed. You're going to need 1/3 cup of sugar. We're only going to use about a teaspoon of grated onions, and if you don't want to waste the onion, then just maybe use some onion powder. I don't know. I've never tried that, but you could do that. We're going to need 2 medium carrots, and these carrots are going to be shredded. Now this is an extremely small head of lettuce. I cleaned the outer leaves. This is about 1 pound. Actually, it's about 1.5 pounds. By the time I quart and everything, it's going to be a little bit over 1 pound. This has to be washed. So let me prep this stuff, and then we'll be back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to chop this up very fine, and we're going to put it in a colander so we can make sure that it's clean. Get rid of this core stem. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to get rid of that core. Just do a little V cut, and it should come right out. Now you want this as thin as possible. Okay, so you get the idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish cutting this up, washing it, and maybe get a salad spinner to dry it off before we mix it up. So we'll be back. Okay, so now we're going to make the dressing while the cabbage drains. So we're going to put that mayonnaise. Here's that onion. There's pepper, sugar, salt, celery seed, lemon juice, buttermilk, apple cider vinegar. I'm going to mix this up real good. I'm going to taste it, make sure it's to our liking. You know, it's like anything. If you don't, if you think it needs more mayonnaise, put more mayonnaise in it. If you think it needs, you know, more salt and pepper, then put it in. Never mind. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm happy with it just the way it is for now. Although, all the salt didn't go in. Okay. Now this is kind of on the sweet side, so after you've made this, you might want to add less sugar. I have that. Okay, so I add the cabbage to the carrots, and I'm just going to use my hands. I'm going to mix it all together. Here we have our coleslaw mix. Now we're going to add our dressing. And you want every last bit of that dressing. Now you toss it. These are my salad tongs. Not my salad tongs, but my salad tosser. Picked these up at a garage sale years ago. Got to remember too, it's not going to pick up the full flavor of the dressing, you know, until it sits for at least a couple hours. So I'm just going to taste it, even though I know not to expect a full flavor. and that's really good. So we cover it and put it in the fridge. Okay, so there you have it. I got some homemade coleslaw. You could put that on a burger. Yeah, put it on a burger. Very popular if you put it on your pulled pork sandwich. Anyway, it's very tasty. I'm really happy with the way it came out. And I have to be honest with you, this is the first time I made it. Yeah, that's right. First time I made it. So anyway, I hope you try this. Real easy. And if you don't want to shred any of the vegetables, buy the bag of coleslaw where it's already cut up, and then just use the dressing. That'll be fine. So anyway, this is John Camp of the Not So Neat Chef. Bye.